Hello guys, welcome to Online Cash. Today we'll be talking about a Telegram platform that pays you by doing simple tasks. Um, just by watching it pays, and there are different payment proof from these applications. So the minimum withdrawal from this platform is 80 vet. The what you are earning is called vet, as you can see here. Now I have 15 vets because I'm just starting this afternoon. So I have 15 vets. So um the minimal withdrawal is 80 vet, and you can get that 80 vet in 4 days. So in 4 days you can get the 80 vet. Now I'll take you through the app and how it works. Now this is your where it shows your dashboard, where it shows your total earning. After clicking on the link in the description section of this video or at the comment section, it will take you straight to Telegram. So it's a Telegram platform. So this is where it shows you how many vets you have, and total aids you have watched. So each vet is one, I mean, each aids you watch is $1, 1 vet, sorry. Each aid you watch is 1 vet, and the aids are just 10 seconds. They are not to go up to 30 seconds. They are just 10 seconds. So this place, it shows you how many aids you've watched, which is 15 aids, and I've gotten 15 vet. Now you come to this end if you want to earn. So it shows you the tax. Now every day you must complete 20 tasks, which is 28 every day, so that in 4 days you can complete your 80 vet and you can withdraw. I will show you how to withdraw. Now I've completed 15 of um the 8 and remaining 5. Now I will show you how it's done and how you can complete it. So you click on start task. This blue place is showing start task. You click on it and it will take you to the 8. Just wait, it's loading. So this is the 8. As you can see up here, if you look at the up, you see it's counting. It's counting 3, 2, 1, and 0. Now you have gotten your reward. Just press on this continue. Oh, sorry. So that's it. I've gotten your reward. Then if you want to watch again, you see click on it till you get the um accumulate the 20 um vet every day, so that in 4 days you can um accumulate to the minimum withdrawal and withdraw from it. The video is not up to 30 seconds, just about 15 seconds and 10 seconds. So this one is loading. Just wait. You can see the white thing is rolling up. So after rolling, you just click on this and times this X here. So that is how you do it. Let me just do the third one so that you confirm that is how it works. So this one is 50 seconds. Just wait for it to count for 50 seconds and you will get your, just wait, 3, 2, 1, and you are done. You're done. So that is how it works. Then if you want to join their Telegram group, you can join, and so you can join and get 2 vet, about 2 vet. So your withdrawal, you just, if you want to withdraw, you come here, you tap your withdrawal method, select a method. You can use Binance. In fact, it's only Binance that is the option. So you click on Binance, enter amount, and enter your Binance ID and submit your withdrawal. So that is how you withdraw. It's as simple as that. So that is how this platform works. If you have any question about the platform, just type on the comment section and I will answer. Thank you for watching. If you like more of this video, just like and subscribe.